Okay, we did a video a couple days ago about how we were feeding our chickens for $1.75 a day. Obviously, we know that that's going to change as they get bigger. They're small right now, but some of the things that we're doing is we're looking around trying to supplement feed anywhere we can. When we moved into this place, there was absolutely no edible landscape. A bunch of trees in the wrong spots. We had to take them down. There was one tree, we didn't know what it was. We saw berries on it. We saw that the wild birds really loved them. We saw all sorts of finches, chickadees, all sorts of stuff. And they're actually called service berries. And we found out that they're actually something that chickens can eat. And our birds absolutely love them. We'll put some out here for them. And these are edible to humans. I actually go out there, pick some of them in the morning before I go to work to eat. They absolutely love these things though. Try to throw some around for the smaller birds so you kind of get pushed out by the others. Service berries are a really easy tree to grow. They're actually native to New York State where we live, and they grow like a weed. You can plant them from seed; they'll grow true to seed, and something nice to have around for yourself to snack on. They're almost like a blueberry, but way more abundant. There's a little seed in the middle, but you can barely tell when you eat them. And obviously, the chickens don't care about that. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to keep following us and find ways to save money feeding your chickens organically, subscribe. Thank you.